Hello everybody and welcome to Tiger Offline, the extra gaming channel if you will, and we are diving into A Way Out. This is a co-op game, so of course I do need someone else to play it with me, and I am joined by my best friend James. He's been on Tiger Online a couple times, and if you ever watched my Marvel Rivals Bootcamp live streams on Tiger Broadcasting, you've heard his voice several times there as well. But yeah, me and James are going to dive in and play A Way Out together, so if you ever see these videos, that's me and him playing together. It's a lot of fun. We enjoyed recording this, so we do hope you enjoy. Do hit the like button, subscribe button, and notification bell if you guys haven't already, and of course, let's get into it.
Nice.
So, you used to work in a bank, huh? Figures.
What are you implying?
Well, how should I put it? You're kind of uptight.
I'd rather be uptight than a loose cannon.
Thanks for the compliment.
You
know what?
That is such a me thing to say.
You're actually the first guy who worked in a bank that I've talked to without a gun in my hand.
Would you look at that? You're making progress, Leo.
Vincent, see that house? Let's check it out.
Oh.
Come on, man.
I like how conveniently all the major things in this game require only 2 people.
Yes.
I think that's like the the canon event in this universe, that everything only takes 2 people.
Yep. Everything you want to do is just 2 people.
Oh god, imagine wanking.
I mean, technically, if you've got a partner, then not far wrong. So.
Don't you worry, honey. Those 2 fools come around here, they'll get a taste of old Betsy.
Hey, I say we take them out.
Are you crazy?
I'll give him a taste of my own Betsy.
You can't do that.
I don't
Kinky.
like that, man. I mean, we tied them up or something. We really need to change clothes. We can't walk around like this.
I don't like it. It's better to get them out of the house.
What you have in mind?
See that barn over there?
Yeah,
We release the horses.
release the horses. How's that gonna help?
Trust
And we
me.
steal his gun and we shoot him and his
We're
wife.
forced to go get
Got
them
it.
back.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, man, I am not fucking tying up a bunch of old people. That is not happening, bro. Nah, I'm good.
Yeah, we'll release the horses. So.
Why won't it? How they go? Don't say why won't it let me do it?
Sure, wherever, man. Let's try it.
I was gonna say we were my way last time anyway, so
Yeah.
good mix and match.
Crap. It's locked.
Over here. How do you know they got horses in there?
It's a horse barn, Leo. What else should they have?
Still, you sound so sure.
This is where we find out they're
It could also be
child
empty.
slave laborers.
You hear that?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, taking even darker turn than it already is.
I can't. Hang on, whoa, hang on. Let me get this straight. You can hop over that one, but you can't physically hop over this one. Yeah, all right, bro. Sure. Ah, I got to feed the cow.
I can't help but thinking about a big juicy steak right now.
Leo, you had to insult me, didn't you? I'm there like, oh, cow, and you're like, steak.
Find something to climb up there.
He's not wrong.
Right, we need a ladder or something.
Yeah. No, we can't go this way. Okay, so it has to be
Around here, yeah. Okay, you can't jump over that. Can't jump. Oh, I literally see it. Hang on, I got it.
Oh shit, yeah.
Gayest way to pick up a ladder. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I don't. I'm sorry, no ladder is that sturdy. That is bullshit.
This ladder is sturdy enough. Oh,
That
it
was
smells like
easy.
shit in here.
Now where are the horses?
Ah, manure.
This might be able to scare the horses. Vincent, first we release the horses. Then we push this piece of shit down.
Right, okay, so we need to go down here. Gotcha. We have a scare
Like,
tactic.
just gonna come in the horse barn or something. So.
There are the
Just go,
horses.
oh, how are you nice
Not
boys?
sure about this, but let's release them.
Here you go, buddy.
One.
Let's release the others too.
Of course. Freedom. Time to scare the horses.
Can't argue with that.
Hi.
Hey, move it.
Right, you stop tapping its ass, you weirdo.
Cut that ass.
Even if it's a horse's ass.
Oh, right, yeah, you both need to
It's
open the door.
locked.
I have.
It says locked. Do we both need to open it? Oh, maybe it's that way. No?
I've unlocked the door. We both got to push this.
You're free to leave now.
Right, okay, well, we just got to push that then, and they're gonna, like, burst out, I guess. So,
Vincent, come on.
yeah, I know. Hold on.
And now will he run?
Yep.
Why, hell, the horses are escaping, honey.
Oh dear, didn't we lock the barn?
Of course I did. Come on, let's go.
Oh, we've got to wake out of there. Yeah.
I wonder if now, like, we did that. I wonder if that affects later on, like, maybe we get caught or something, and maybe it add, like,
They will.
I don't know, maybe the police officers will be a bit more aggressive with you if you've, like, tied them up or something, I don't know. I'm just curious to
Yeah.
see what sort of, like, you know, stealing a police car, that's more than likely going to affect us later type thing, but if you went under and
Yeah.
stuck out, you get what I mean?
Yeah, like,
The
knock-on
implications.
effects,
Yeah, knock-on effects,
Yeah.
yeah. Right, okay. Claire!
Where's your clothes? We need more clothes. Look in your fridge for your clothes.
They have something good.
No? Rob? No?
Oh, this beer must have been open for a long time.
Flat beer.
At least our
Man,
faces
this
aren't
is a
plastered on
big-ass
the
gun.
front page.
Yet.
Ah, shit. It's not working.
I love how we can just, like, manhandle this house. This is great. Right, if there's a
That's
dress,
true.
you're wearing it.
I've never really been a hat man.
Hey, Vincent, let's change clothes.
I am now a hat man.
It's
So,
better than expected.
Beg your pardon, I'm just gonna change real quick.
they have a huge closet.
Yeah, this will do. And the shotgun might come in handy.
Hey, I got a shotgun, bro. Let's go.
Nice.
Can I take a piss?
Yeah. Still got the looks.
Oh, yeah. We're sexy.
Why don't you just cut off his sideburns and make himself look a little less like his
Oh, dapper, bro. Look at you. Let's go.
Oh, I got suited and booted.
Get to truck. I like how it says get to truck, not get to the truck. It's just get to truck.
Get the truck. Ooh, what's that on the floor?
We could light a fire if we put some of this wood in there. This should be enough.
Okay.
Where's the truck?
Let's make it nice and cozy. Here we go.
Why are you starting a fire for?
Keep it nice and warm for a minute.
We're meant to be escaping and you're there like, just chill out for a couple minutes.
I play the piano. Yeah.
Let's see what they have. Milk. That's good for the bones.
Nice.
Who's cooking over here?
You're cooking, I'm playing piano.
We're officially gay couple, bro.
Might as well give him a hand with his dishes.
Oh my god, I'm washing their dishes.
No, it's getting out of hand for me. No, well, I'm fucked. Too much on screen for me to handle at once.
Bro, I'm washing their dishes.
Yeah, we're thoughtful criminals. So.
Right, you're not Anthony, bro. Put down the guitar.
It's a banjo.
See, you are Anthony.
Damn it. For the love of... Right?
Wait, what?
Oh, come on.
Do you reckon if we stay long enough, I'll come back?
Do you know what? I was just thinking the exact same thing.
Damn it.
We just pretend to be vampires.
Musically inclined vampires.
Musically
Oh,
inclined
sinners,
vampires,
right? Okay, I got you. I didn't catch the connection. Oh my god, this is easy.
Oh, come on. Almost there. Damn it. For the love of... Yeah, that's it.
I like how we both just magically know how to play instruments.
Don't question it.
The couple outside like, honey, where all the music coming from?
We didn't let vampires in. We didn't say yes to them coming in.
Yeah, almost there.
Right, okay, let's Right, it says we need to get to the truck. How do you know where the truck is? That's the thing. Where the fuck's this truck?
Where the fuck is the truck?
I'm being serious.
Let's have a look. Let's go have a look. Let's go and explore. Then they come back to a very noisy house. So.
With a gun, clothes stolen, a beer had it taken a swig of.
Man, rolling around in mud all day must be pretty nasty.
Hey, Mom.
Is it around here, I reckon? Throw horseshoes. The fuck is this, a fairground road?
God damn it.
I'm so confused, bro.
Oh, miss. A perfect throw. Shoot.
Boo.
I'm the champion.
I think I found the truck. I need you.
One sec. Oh, I see what's in there.
Oh, shit. Goddamn cat.
There's a pussy in there.
A
There's a
gas
gas can.
canister. I bet it still has some gas.
Oh, this is coming handy for the truck.
Yeah, I was just thinking that.
I guess it's supposed to take me outside, wasn't it? Oh no, okay. Oh no, yeah, okay. Alright, well, I'm coming over to you.
From your angle, it looks like I'm trying to pray to this door. Door, please let our journey be swift. Amen.
Nice.
Oh my god, it's a piece of junk.
It's not that bad.
What do you mean it's not that bad? Hey, it's even missing a wheel.
Nah, I'm sure there's a spare around here somewhere.
I don't know, man.
It's not like we have a choice. Sherby's running on foot. Let's fix it up and we'll be out of here in no time.
All right, fine.
We'll need a new tire. Let's look around and see what we can find.
Okay, this is
Looks like
kind
the
of cool.
battery is out of juice.
It's out of juice, yeah, so good thing we've got the gas can.
All right, tire.
This
Here I
could
come,
probably
Scooter.
lift the car. Ready, Leo?
Left,
Looks like the car is missing a tire.
Okay, so I have to do that when you get, when we get the tyre, so, whoever that is.
Hey, Vincent. I see a tire over there. Let's find a way to get up there.
Oh.
No, I didn't press any. You fucking ass. Hang on, I'll come in. I didn't even press X, bro. Right, let's try this again. Right, now go. This is the most anticlimactic fair ride I've ever done.
Oh no, it's coming back. Oh no.
Thanks. Not worth the £3.50 of the blowjob, I'm not gonna lie.
There you go. Right.
Right, I can
Oh,
no,
right.
I can just get down, but go to the ledge. Go to the ledge and pick up the lug wrench, and then
Use
take
this
that
to
with you,
fasten a new tire.
because we'll need that.
I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. It's now up there. I have to now go all the way back up there to get the lug wrench because he didn't think to actually bring the lug wrench down with him and jump in off the edge. Idiot.
Wait, can you not jump down
No.
and?
No,
Okay, now we just need to
no.
screw in the studs.
Lug wrench. No, I can't jump down with it. So,
Okay, I'll just come back down then. Walk down the way you came.
yeah. No, you can't. No, 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 no. No.
I'll go get it.
It's alright, I'll go get this one. I'll have to just pick it up and then walk all the way back down the stairs with it. So,
I've attached the tire.
We need to attach the wheel first.
we need to attach the wheel first.
Seems like it's out of gas.
Fasten tire.
Right. Okay. So I'm gonna lift this. I
Now
think
we need
you've got to
something
move
to pick up to remove
move the
support.
wooden thing out of the way.
Great. The car has 4 wheels
Right.
now. That's a good start.
Oh, don't push the fucking thing. You haven't even got a... It's not even working yet.
Yeah, it's gonna get us down the road.
Legit, bro.
What's next?
Right, okay, so... We now
Yeah,
need to
get
do
the
something
tire.
with this.
Oh. No? Is that it? Push. Wait,
Battery
what is that?
seems dead.
Why has my camera gone all the way down there? I'm really confused.
Press circle a second.
Maybe you push it as I like start it or something. Or
My camera's fine. They're still chasing those horses, bless them.
Whoa, what happened? Did you let go?
I didn't let go. Did you?
Ah,
I did it.
sugar.
Let's go get it.
They're gonna come back as soon as we get in the car and go, "Oh, Harold, they're stealing our car."
Oh. It's not gonna work.
So I'm gonna push it.
Damn it.
I'm gonna push it. Huh?
Okay.
Jumper cables. Perfect. Let's pop the hood and try them.
These
Oh,
jumper
okay.
cables might refresh the battery. Just gotta open the hood.
I'll take these.
It's connected. Try to start the car now. Oh shit. It actually worked, this piece of junk.
Yeah, I told you so.
You did, but still, I was in doubt.
Sometimes you just gotta have a little faith in things, Leo.
Faith, huh?
Yeah. Well, let's get out of here.
Yes? No, I don't know. It was a while ago.
Fucking radio's on the background TV as well.
Officer. Okay, hurry up, please. Absolutely. Thank you.
Oh.
Are the police on their way yet?
Yes, they'll be here any minute.
Okay, I'll go take care of them.
No, just stay here.
It's all right. Just wait here. I'll be fine.
Okay, so we're killing them.
Filthy scum!
Oh shit! Take cover!
You're gonna pay for this!
Come on, let's go!
Yeah.
You drive!
Come on. Come on.
Yeah. Come on! Go, 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 go!
Oh, you're driving now.
No.
If you are actually driving.
Damn it!
Yeah, mate, fantastic shots. You should be in the army.
He probably was.
Be a stormtrooper, bro. You'd fit right in.
Hey, face it! We got cops coming! Step on it!
Oh yeah, like we're outrunning the cops in this hunger junk.
Get this piece of shit going any faster! Just sit down, Leo! You're gonna fall off! Alright! Here we go!
Oh wait. Oh, this is sick.
Hold on back there! Just focus on
Oh boy.
driving, man! I'll keep them
I could
up.
drive in real life, but in a game, I don't know.
Take that!
I gotta reload after every shot. That's bananas.
Well, I'm going as fast as I can. So
It's fine, bro. You gotta trust me, man. I got this.
Don't use that cut closer, you piece of shit! Try to hold them back!
Whoa! I said drive, bro, not swerve.
oh, they're making me swerve.
Take them down!
This gun is powerful, brother. I just took out 3 police cars. Like, I'm not even paying attention to your screen, and then I just did. I was like, whoa, that's trippy.
Ah.
Fuck off.
Nice.
I'm fine, keep
Get back up, get back on, get back on, get back on. I've fallen off.
I'm fine falling out of the truck. Oh no! Fuck off!
Okay, so it's actually better to shoot the actual car than the windscreen. Got you.
Maybe the wheels as well. I don't know what happened there. I crashed into something.
Oh, I can
Oh,
actually
going in a tunnel. Going in a
dig a
tunnel.
tunnel, dig a bigger tunnel. Whoa! Oh my god! I'm trying. Piss off, brother. We're crashing into each other a lot.
Oh no.
That actually helped him off over. Oh my
Oh,
god.
bullshit. Directed by Michael Bay.
Now if this transforms into an old runky clunker like Transformer, this game's good.
Linkin Park starts playing.
Spots are out. We got him now. All units from south to the bridge.
Stop! You're under arrest!
Stay where you are. Freeze!
You're not even aiming at us.
Let's go.
Hey, you're under arrest, points gun into air.
Fucking run, bro. Fucking run.
Run.
Oh, this is weird when it's top and down. Why didn't I take the shotgun with us?
Boat over there.
Yeah, why
Oh,
didn't you take the shotgun?
conveniently, there's a boat.
Yep.
Go, 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 go. Push.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
There is no way they would have rowed that enough in time, far away enough in time before they got to the shore with their guns and started shooting bullets at this little
Yeah.
tiny wooden boat.
That is like convenient much, in it. There just happens to be a fucking boat there,
Where the
bro.
hell does this river take us?
I have no idea, but the further away, the better.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
All right, start rowing. We need to get going.
Wait. Am I steering or you steering?
If we go this way, he needs to go.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
I
Fuck.
think I saw something in the water.
It's probably a shark, Leo.
Yeah, so he needs to go this
What do you
way.
mean? There are no sharks in this water.
Right,
No.
just you stay there a second.
Seawater.
You're a
Oh,
clever
shit.
guy, Leo.
You need to stay even. Turn, right. Turn it this way. Turn it right, turn
Yeah.
it right, turn it
I
right.
really saw something.
Uh oh.
Probably
Oh
a fish.
shit.
Yeah, whatever. That fish.
Right,
Probably
you need to
salmon.
turn it right more. When you turn it right more, so don't crash, don't crash, don't crash.
Crocodile.
Seriously?
You know, we just need to
I
stay
don't like
straight.
crocodiles.
Right, yeah, you stay on the left side, I'll stay on the right side a second.
Hey, Vincent.
Yeah.
Think there
Uh-oh.
are any bears in these waters?
Oh boy.
There are probably
Oh,
bears in
boy.
these waters, Leo.
Ha! I can't believe that.
We're going there. We're going there. Ah, no. No. No.
Looks like our peaceful boat ride is over.
Oh shit.
Some rough
Turn,
seas
Shit.
ahead.
turn it,
Shit.
turn it,
Shit.
turn it. Oh my god, turn it. Oh no, oh no.
Oh boy.
No, don't move, Leo.
Alright.
Right, just stay there, just don't move. Can you turn it more, turn it more, turn it more, turn it more.
Shit. No. No. God. Right. Yeah. Gonna sail through this.
Oh shit.
Oh boy.
Hold on.
Well.
Oh fuck, no, what's going on?
Well. Oh no. Oh boy. Well, we're going backwards for this. So it tells me we're not going to make it to the end of this. So it does. The waters are getting a bit too rough.
Hey, watch out,
Oh
some
boy.
rough streams up ahead.
Yeah, you don't fucking say. Well, it's the wrong side. Yeah, we're fucked. We fucked this. This boat is fucked.
Left. Wow. Okay, we need to be a bit more.
Yeah, we need to
Right, okay.
coordinate a bit more.
Stay there, don't move. Let me just easy, okay. Yeah, nicely done. Left.
It's gliding.
Problem?
Hold on.
Yeah. That's right. This way.
Oh my god, this thing's fragile.
Made out of paper, yes.
We need to...
Oh, wrong way. This is the wrong way. This is the wrong way.
Ah! He won't move when I want him to.
Right. Okay, so I didn't want to try and keep straight. Or not. Oh, this is shit. This is shit. Right, straight.
Yeah, sure. You try that. I'll just stay in the boat.
I think we're through the worst of it. The rest is just a smooth ride.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I think you spoke too soon.
It won't
Look
turn.
straight ahead.
Just keep straight.
Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
We're fucked.
Uh-oh.
We're fucked.
We're so screwed. It won't turn. It stopped turning.
Oh boy. Boy. No, this way. Whoa.
Fuck. Oh, this is so hard to steer. Whew.
Alright, okay, that's fine.
I think we're
Stay
through the
straight a
worst
minute.
of it. The rest is just a smooth ride.
I think you spoke too soon, Leo. Look straight ahead.
Right, just let it glide.
Holy shit! Ah!
Yes. Okay.
Oh!
Right, let's go this way.
He won't. She won't turn.
Paddle, damn it.
It's fine. Right, now we need to go this side.
Waterfall!
Yeah, that's what it seems to be at the moment. Oh god! Right, go straight.
We're not done yet.
Oh. Uh-oh. Oh no.
Fuck's sake, bro.
This reminds me of part of Indiana Jones and the King of the Crystal Skull. It's going to be 3 big drops. What does he mean by that? 1. Let go of the waterfall.
Oh shit.
Oh, yes, fuck indeed. We're fucked. Oh boy. Oh no. Yeah, we're fucked.
That's right, the boat's done. Oh no, Vincent!
Apparently I'm done as well.
Oh my god, help.
Convenience. Come on. Nice. Oh no!
I would say just hang on, but that seems kind of null and void.
Hang on! To what?
The broken boat!
I'll try it again.
You okay? I'm okay. Let's get out
That
of
was
here.
hard
All
to
right.
seem to control.
I think that was the most ridiculous part of the game so far. Fuck that for a cannon noise.
What of you, huh? Yeah. So? What happens now?
Look, I know what you're thinking, but going after Harvey won't be easy.
I know, but I'm going after him, with or without you.
You want to end up dead?
I want him gone. He's a cold-blooded killer. The world's gonna be a better place without him. You never told me, Leo. What is your story with Harvey?
He's
Before I
my
got
gay
busted,
lover.
Me and Harvey made a huge score.
Bank job?
No. You ever heard of a Black Orlov?
Are you serious? The diamond? How the hell did you pull that off?
A lot of planning and a bit of luck.
So what happened?
Everything was going our way. We even had a buyer. But that greedy fuck had other plans.
Hi, Bumblebee. Told you Transformers making an appearance.
It's all there. Count it.
Looks about right.
Of course it is. You can always trust me.
I'm not trusting nobody, my friend. Here you go. What do you think?
Damn, son, he's just going around shooting everyone.
Isn't it?
It's heavier than I thought.
It is.
Pleasure doing business with you guys.
You too.
Bang. Yep.
Give me the case!
What the fuck are you doing?
Give me the fucking case, Leo! Hand it over, now! It's nothing personal, it's just business. Give me the briefcase.
He's an asshole.
Next thing I know, I'm surrounded by cops.
That's rough. I'm sorry.
Oh, trust me. He's the one who's gonna be sorry. I'm making things right. For me. And for my family.
So do you know where Harvey is right now?
I know one of his guys, Ray. He'll know for sure.
So? What are we waiting for? Let's go after him.
Okay, let's go.
You really want to take Harvey down, huh?
Like I said, with or without you, I'm going after him.
Okay.
All right. Where can we find this Ray guy?
Don't worry, he's gonna be easy to find. But I need to make sure my family's safe first.
Of course.
Let's go.
This has become from a prison escape to a bounty hunt of some sort.
It's like a personal vendetta, isn't it? So,
Yeah. Oh yes, second one about your kid, Sugar Rush.
Mom? Mom!
What is it, honey? What's wrong?
you seen his dad in the paper.
Yeah. Bless him. Ah, remember what she said to Leo though. He doesn't know where his dad is. He doesn't know his dad's in prison.
Alex?
That's why Alex is upset, because he doesn't know where his dad's been. He thinks that he's on like a business trip or something.
Leo, can I ask you something personal?
Yeah, sure.
How do you and your wife manage to stay together in this line of work?
We've always been together. You know, she knows me better than I know myself. I was 12 when we met at the orphanage.
Orphanage?
You could say that my parents didn't do their job.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Don't be. I barely remember them. Besides, I was fortunate enough to have Linda. She was crazy. You know, we used to run away together. Steal ice cream, cigarettes, shit. It's always been us against the world. Still is. No matter what.
It's fucked up, but it's kind of cute.
That's just how it is.
Sounds great.